Good morning class. Today we are going to do our last method of your national income, that is your expenditure method. In this method basically you have to add four main components. After that you will get GDP at MP, that is your gross domestic product at market price. After that, by using GDP at MP you have to find the national income, that is your NNP at FC. So let's start our method. First one is your main component of your expenditure method is first one is your private final consumption expenditure. Now in this method, basically we include those market value of goods and services which are purchased by our household or which are purchased by non-profit institutes serving households during an accounting year. That means in 1 year, whatever the household has purchased or whatever non-profit institutes has purchased, we will include those items in your private final consumption expenditure. Now talking about this private final consumption expenditure only, in this we will include wages and salaries received in kind also, because these are also some kind of expenditure for a household. Whereas we will also include your imputed rent of owner occupied houses. That means imputed rent will also be included over here. Next one is your government final consumption expenditure. Now government final consumption expenditure means whatever expenditures government has done to satisfy collective wants of people. Now collective wants of people means that whatever the expenditure they have done on public health or law and order, defense, education, for public welfare. These are basically included in your government final consumption expenditure. If government has purchased some kind of goods and services in domestic market, if government has purchased some kind of goods and services from foreign market also for embassies, that will also be included in your government final consumption expenditure. Now next one is your gross domestic capital formation. Gross domestic capital formation means gross investment. That means whatever money you are spending, whatever expenditure you are doing on fixed capital formation. For example, if you are constructing your house, so for your house, whatever money you are spending on the construction of your house, that money will be included in your gross residential construction investment. If you are purchasing some kind of machineries, equipments, or factory building, etc., for your business purpose, then it will be considered as your business fixed investment. If you are purchasing some kind of, if you are doing expenditure for any your health purposes, that will also be included over here. So if government is doing some kind of expenditures on your health, on your school, on your roads, dams, that will also be included over here. Next one is your change in stock, that is your inventory investment. Now inventory investment means that closing stock minus opening stock, that will also be considered over here. Last point, that means fourth component of your final expenditures is your net exports. Net exports is consist of mainly X minus M, that is exports minus imports. Now we can finalize the statement by the help of a short formula. This formula says 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to GDP at MP. That means 4 points which we have done in this chapter. First one is your private final consumption, then your government final consumption expenditure, then your gross domestic capital formation, and last one is your net exports. All four together consist of your GDP at MP. Now in the chapter number 3 and basically in your first and second method also, we have discussed how to change GDP MP into NNP at FC. Now GDP at MP and NNP at FC can be interchanged or can be interchanged with the help of some kind of adjustments. Now these adjustments are basically, first one is your When you want to go from G to N, that means you are going from G to N minus depreciation, gross to net. Then you are going to domestic to nation. So you will add on NFIA, and last one is your MP to FC, that means you will deduct NIT. So that's how you will get the formula of your NNP at FC, that is your national income. The formula will be GDP MP minus depreciation minus NIT plus NFIA is equal to your NNP at FC. Now this formula is basically complete. This method is also completed. But there are some of the precautions which were used in this in this method as well as in your value added method also. So first precaution is we don't use your intermediate goods in this method also. We never use intermediate good in your national income. Next one is second hand products. If you are selling second hand product, if you are purchasing, so you are making some expenditure out of your income, but that will not be included in your national income because of the double counting problem. But commission earned will be included. Next one is if you are purchasing or selling out some kind of shares or debentures or bond, that also will not be included in your national income. Next one is the production for self-consumption. So production for self-consumption will be included in your national income because that expenditure is basically on the products, and products will be considered as your national income. Next one is your windfall gains. Windfall gains means if you are gaining some kind of lottery or horse race, or if you are losing in that, that will also not be included in your national income. And the last one is transfer payment is never included in your national income, whether it is in your income method, whether it is in your value added method, or whether it is in your expenditure method. So here our three methods are completed one by one. Thank you.